Hey everybody, this is Natalie. Today I am making rice stuffed tomatoes. This is one of my favorite recipes, and you'll need to grab some herbs for this, some fresh herbs. If you don't have fresh herbs, just don't bother making it because it makes all the difference in the recipe. You're going to want mint, marjoram, oregano, and parsley. And sometimes I don't have either marjoram or fresh oregano, so I usually have one or the other, and that's okay if you have to leave one of those out. But the other two, you want to make sure you grab those. And the mint may seem peculiar in this recipe, but it's not. It's fantastic. It makes the recipe, and trust me, Italians, you never see Italian fusion cuisine because they got it right the first time, right? It's been that way for millennia, but it's an amazing recipe, and this is from an area of Rome, or somewhere around Rome. The area around Rome is where I first had this dish, and I was just determined to find the recipe, and I did find the recipe in a book, so I'm sharing it with you. You're going to take 6 medium-sized ripe tomatoes, cut the tops off and core them out and save the pulp. Salt the tomatoes and put them upside down and let them drain for 30 minutes. Then you are going to take, about a half a cup of risotto and mix it in with olive oil and your freshly chopped herbs. And then let that sit for 30 minutes. Then you'll separate the rice from the liquid and divide the rice evenly between all of the tomatoes. Then you're going to spoon the liquid on top of the rice until it just reaches the level of the rice, the top of the rice. Put the tops back on the tomatoes, and then you're going to bake them. And these will bake at 350 for an hour, and every 15 to 20 minutes or so, you're going to spoon more liquid in the rice as it's absorbed while it's cooking. So, and don't do what I did. I had one tomato that was kind of leaking out liquid. I should have put that in a ramekin to start with. So, and also don't take the stem out of your tomato like I did here. See, this one is leaking, and I should have put that in a ramekin to start with. So you should be taking these tomatoes out 2 to 3 more times and replenishing the liquid as it's absorbed. And after an hour, maybe about an hour and 15 minutes, they should be ready. This is what they look like when they're done. You can serve them as a main or a side and serve them chilled or warm, however you desire, but they are spectacular. This will be your new favorite way to enjoy tomatoes. All right, thank you all, and thanks for subscribing.